Hello friend, welcome to BankWiz. I am Anandam. Friend, in this video session, I am going to share with you some highly important business letter topics for different banking exams and regulatory body exams such as SBI PO, IBPS PO, SIDBI Grade A, NABARD Grade A, etc. But friend, before we switch to such topics, let us come to know of some basic facts about a business letter. Friend, a business letter must be formal in nature, and so you have not to use unnecessary words in dealing with this kind of letter. Okay, friend. The second thing is that a business letter must have a particular format. Going beyond the exact format of a business letter, you cannot make a good score. Okay, so you have to follow a particular format. Friend, the third thing is that your body, that should say the body of the business letter, must be fulfilling the exact motto of the letter topic. Okay, these three things are highly essential before you switch to writing a business letter. Now friend, let us come to know of the format of a business letter in detail. Friend, a business letter has 8 essential components, 8 essential parts. Let us come to know of all those parts in detail and one by one. Friend, at the top of a business letter, you should first of all mention the sender's address. That's to say your address. Okay, your address. And the address must be giving the information about the name of the company and the place the company belongs to with the pin code. Okay, pin code. Simply mention ABC, XYZ. Okay, ABC, something like that. You have not to mention the place you belong to exactly. Clear? Friend, in the second place, you should mention the date. And in the third place, you should mention the address of the addressee. Okay, address of the receiver. You can say the receiver of the letter, and it would also follow the same format as the sender's address does. And friend, in the fourth place comes the subject. Friend, the subject must be curt, the subject must be very much concise, exactly conveying the idea of the topic. Okay, and in the fifth place comes the salutation. This salutation may comprise dear sir, dear ma'am, or simply sir or madam. Okay, and in the sixth place comes the body or the content. Friend, the body or the content comprises the introductory part of the letter. Okay, the introductory part, and then middle part of the letter of the body, and then the concluding part. That's to say, conclusion is to be given. It should follow the same format as an essay does. Okay, friend, in the seventh place comes the complementary part. The complementary part. The complementary part or close. It comprises yours faithfully, or faithfully yours, yours sincerely, something like that. Okay, and at last you should put your signature. You should affix your signature. Okay, these are 8 essential parts of a business letter, and in this way your letter will go effective, and in that capacity your letter will fetch maximum marks. Okay, now friend, let us come to know of all those highly important business letters for such exams. Friend, the first letter topic is: you are the manager of your bank, which is in need of a pack of A4 files for record maintenance. Write a letter to the concerned company placing orders for these. Okay. Friend, the second letter topic is: you have placed an order for a pack of A4 files with Ajanta. Mumbai, Maharashtra. You have not received the files so far. Write a letter to the stationery company complaining about the non compliance of your order. Friend, the third letter topic is you are the manager of an IT company which has supplied you with some defective PC systems. Write a complaint letter for such defective systems. Okay? Friend, the fourth letter topic is you are to launch an internet cafe which requires a quality desktops to render the best services to your customers. Write a letter to the related supplier to supply your favorite desktops at the earliest. Okay, friend, the fifth one is write a complaint letter to the supplier for the late delivery of desktops. Friend, the sixth one is you and your family are planning a week long holiday to a hill station in the northern part of the country. Write a letter to a travel agency inquiring about the charges, facilities, and all other necessary details. Friend, the seventh important business letter is you ordered for your startup 5 Acer LCD monitors with 19.5 screen size with a 2-year warranty a few months ago. But 3 of them are defective. A monitor displays a deep lining at its center. The other 2 get blacked out on continuous use. Register your complaint letter to the company's email requesting it to replace them against the warranty. Okay? Friend, eighth one is that you have purchased a DSLR camera very recently, but the problem is how to operate it quite smoothly. Write a letter to the supplier asking for assistance of a locally recruited person from the service center. Friend, the ninth important business letter topic is write a letter to the manager of a hotel at Shimla asking him to reserve you a double room from you have to just here the dates are to be mentioned. Okay. Friend, the 10th letter topic is you are the manager of the cricket club of your organization or company. You had purchased some cricket equipment. Some of the articles have been found defective. Write a letter to the firm that made the supplies, asking them to replace these defective articles or refund their cost. Friend, these are some highly important letter topics. What you need to do is to attempt all these letter topics. If you attempt all these letter topics, you will definitely develop a clear insight in dealing with any kind of business letter that will be asked in the exam of yours. Friend, Bankwiz is an exclusive platform for the descriptive English paper preparation. Pay a visit to www.bankwiz.com and come to know of the details of the available courses for banking and regulatory body exams. We provide you with quality study notes along with maximum number of mocks. You will get the evaluation from our experts within 24 hours time. So, make your career brighter. Wish you all the best. Thank you.